Hey, Surinda. Just wanted to share a few words about you. Very, very thankful for your commitment to our team these past 4 years. Not many people know how hard it is to come back from a knee injury, and I know that was really hard and frustrating for you, trying to figure out what was going on and how and stuff. But I'm extremely proud of you for sticking it out. It's one of those things. There's a lot of opportunities that you probably could have quit or not even tried to come back, and I'm so thankful that you were willing to fight through that and finish it out for your final senior season. One of the things that I want to let you know is just if people go to the Google Doc that I shared, there are several pictures there that I believe epitomize Surinda. I know minutes were limited this year, but what I know that was not limited was your passion and love for your teammates. I could always rely on you caring and valuing the success of your team, and you were one of the first to be up and cheering and excited, and I'm so thankful for it. We talk about being a servant and being selfless and caring about the people around you, and even being thankful. And I really felt like you did a great job of that. And one of the things that happens is that you embraced that role and you did it extremely well. I know that there's times that you were practicing with the JV group, and even though you didn't play JV, and you made them better. It's one of those things, giving opportunities and having opportunities to be in there and doing those things in practice. I absolutely thank you. And one of the things that is hard is that you probably won't even recognize the fruit that will come from some of those things as those players will go on, and some of the things that you've done this year will impact their lives for the future, and I thank you for that. One of the things I also appreciate is that I remember in the summers you coming in and shooting with Addie, getting some extra work in, and I thank you for that, doing those little things. They were not unnoticed, and I do appreciate how you've committed to that. One of the major things I remember, I think it was your sophomore year in JAM, was asking for volunteers, and I was coaching the little girls JAM, and came in, and you told me, Coach, I don't like kids, but what impressed me so much was what you said after that. You said, but I know that this will make me better. Surinda, that's something that a lot of people would be scared or timid to try to do something that's not in their wheelhouse. And you continued to serve those kids, those girls. That just, it really does impress me on your willingness to do stuff that is for the greater good of everyone else around you. Those girls will appreciate that, and that time they spent with you, getting better and learning. And I loved watching you grow in that. I know that wasn't very comfortable at first, but you were really good at it. You grew in that. You allowed yourself to be stretched, and I watched you become someone that these girls just really were excited to see. And so thank you so much for being willing to step outside of your comfort zone. Thank you so much for bringing a good attitude every day. Thank you so much for embracing a role that sometimes was not just the most glamorous, but was so needed by our team that I appreciate it so much. It was not unnoticed. Surinda, you will be missed. But we are so thankful because we know that the character that you've shown during these last 4 years, you will carry that on, and we know that you will be successful because of that. We will miss you, and we're thankful for you, and we love you. Thanks, Surinda.